Going to come down to this today for us, okay? Effort plays and unselfish plays. Effort plays, taking charges, diving on loose balls, sprinting in every change of possession, and really unselfish plays on the offensive end. And when a game like this that means a lot today, as far as going into what we're doing next week, okay? What are you willing to do? And don't take a possession off where you aren't willing to do what you got to do on every freaking possession. What are you willing to do to the player?
You're watching March to March, presented by California Almonds. They are charged up in Peoria, Illinois. The Bradley Braves going for their first 20-win season in 11 years, taking on Indiana State in an extremely important game for both of these teams. Bradley has already clinched a first-round bye. They'll be in the 4-5 game, a chance to get to 20 wins. Indiana State, thanks to Northern Iowa's win over Missouri State moments ago, can clinch a first-round bye as well as the 6th seed at Arch Madness. Three from Jordan Barnes, the first of many that we'll see from him in this one, you would expect. An 8-0 run now for Indiana State. It was an 8-0 run, but here they come again. That's Kedar Davis. I have 29, 2.5 minutes to play, first half here. Scott driving to the hoop and gets the roll. Now they start to run the offense as the shot clock hits 7. The three from Barnes off the mark. Tipped around and Bradley comes out of there with it. And an easy dunk to end the half for Dwayne Lotier-Ogunleye. And something for these Bradley fans to feel good about. Indiana State on top by 3 at the break. Seventh lead change. Deep 3 is good. That is Jordan Barnes. Cannell 3 in transition. Cannell directing traffic cross court. Key 3. They are really high on Tyreek Key. Key left open, and he makes them pay. We got a ball game, folks. The fans coming alive in Peoria at Carter Arena. We've had a dozen lead changes, making a baker's dozen as Barnes takes it to the 10. Sycamores have been snake bit in close games this season. 5-9 in games decided by 5 points or less. 0-4 in overtime games. Barnes steps back. Can't get it. Offensive rebound. Put back. Davis. 8 seconds to go. And a timeout is called. Indiana State, with a win, gets a bye into the quarterfinals of Arch Madness. Cannell slips. Ball is loose. Put up. No. And Indiana State comes into Bradley and hands the Braves a senior day defeat, clinching a bye in the MVC Tournament.
You just earned 2 days off. Hey, and I'll see you in St. Louis, but not till Friday. Hey, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.